Alright, I'm at my customer's property here in Plainfield, Connecticut. I'm about to do an inspection of the sewer line right there. Here we go. So it starts off 4-inch cast iron. It's pretty scaled up and rusty. But as bad as it looks, I've seen worse. It is pretty bad though. Alright, 7 foot 11 inches in, we have roots in the line. There's quite a bit of roots actually. See if I could push through them. It's really a lot of roots. I mean, now we're 9'7", we're still in the roots. It's a severe amount of roots breaking through this pipe. Hopefully I can push through this. It's not really letting me. There we go. It's just more roots. It's a lot of roots. Alright, I can't believe I pushed through that, but I somehow did. Alright, so this appears to be 6-inch clay that we're in now. It's all roots you see clinging to the pipe walls. Spider web. Not sure what's going on there exactly. Yeah. Oh, that's the bottom of the pipe. That's just debris collecting at an offset on the pipe. The camera flips around in the pipe. So what you're seeing on the top left hand of the screen is actually the bottom of the pipe. That's just debris collected there at the pipe joint. That's all tree roots again. It's a lot of roots. So these old clay lines, there's going to be a joint every 3 feet. And you'll get roots at the joints. The way they joined them back in the old days, they just pushed the pipes together, or they pushed the pipes together and they slapped a little mortar on the hubs of the pipes. So roots seek water. There would have been water leaking underground. That's how you get all these roots. It's crazy, like everything is roots here. Alright, I'm through it again. Now I've picked up some debris on my lens. I'm pushing it through all this debris, so yeah, I'm bound to get stuff stuck to the lens. Man, is that bad. I'm shocked I got through these roots to the point that I did, to be honest. Probably a bad call for me to push my camera through them. Hopefully I get it back. There we go. Still roots. It's like the whole pipe is like nothing but roots. Jeez. It's all roots. My God, that's a lot of roots. I look like an ant crawling around on the top right of the screen. Looks like there's ants in the pipe. First time I've seen that. All that is roots. And this is something. There's a lot of ants in this pipe. That's very weird. That's solid as a brick wall. I don't think I'm not pushing through that. Am I? Maybe I am. No, it won't let me. But I can see beyond it, so that's a good sign. Whew. Yeah, this pipe is in bad shape. This is gonna need some major cleaning. Major cleaning. Guess what I'm gonna recommend here. Either jetting or pipe milling. Which one I'm gonna recommend right this second? I'm not entirely sure. I might do a little of both on this one. Might need literally both, because it's looking rough. Jeez. Yeah, so pushing your camera through roots like this is a terrible idea. I shouldn't have did it. Luckily, I'm getting my camera back, so you know, that worked out well for me. Because if it got stuck, that would have sucked. Yeah, that's crazy bad. Yeah, so, you know, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most clogged this pipe can be, I'm going to give it a 10 for sure. That's just choked off 100% in a lot of different areas. Second you flush the toilet here, you're going to be backing up into the building. Alright, we're back in the cast iron. That's like crazy scaled up there too. Looks a little worse pulling it back than it did going in. Yeah. Okay, I'm recommending a de-rooting and a thorough cleaning. Probably, you know, jetting or milling, maybe both.